Numerology meanings number 22. Known as the Master Builders, the number 22 people are the strongest of all numbers. It's an enhanced version of the 4th and has as many of the qualities of the 11. These people are the most fortunate of all numbers and possess the ability to turn impossible things into reality with the help of others. They have good common sense, leadership qualities, practical solutions for any problem, and outstanding organizational skills. They are very ambitious and have numbers of innovative ideas in their minds. They are also astrologically linked to the Taurus and influenced by Venus. To find out what secrets numerology has in store for you, click here to get your free instant and extremely accurate numerology reading. You will likely be amazed at what you find out. And for more numerology tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to click the subscription button right here so that you don't miss out on future videos.